In this video, we are diving into Kaspa and exploring how much 100,000 Kaspa coins could be worth by 2026. At the time of recording, the market price of Kaspa is at about $0.0716, while its market cap is at around $1.96 billion as shown on CoinMarketCap. At this price, one can easily accumulate up to 100,000 KAS at a cost of about $7,160, which represents a very good entry point for everyone to buy into Kaspa. However, if that amount seems too much to put down at a time, you can decide to buy in bits until your desired amount is reached. At the time of listing, it started trading at a market price of about $0.000183 and experienced a series of uptrends, leading it to achieving up to $0.2075 as its all-time high in August 2024. If anyone had bought up to 100,000 KS when it listed and held up till it achieved its all-time high, he would have watched his investment grow to about $20,750 from an initial investment of $18.30. Moving on, Kaspa is a cryptocurrency that excels in its advanced technology architecture. Unlike conventional blockchains where a single block is processed at a time, Kaspa employs a block DAG design. This enables multiple blocks to be created and confirmed at the same time, resulting in quicker transaction processing and improved scalability. It is backed by a strong proof-of-work consensus mechanism, so it maintains security, but for bulk transactions. With block times of only 1 second, Kaspa offers virtually instantaneous transaction confirmations, making it one of the fastest decentralized Layer 1 platforms on the market today. Kaspa's performance is founded on its block DAG architecture. In the traditional blockchain platforms, transactions are carried out sequentially, and the result is latency when there are many users of the network at a time. Kaspa's block DAG allows for concurrent processing of transactions through the appending of multiple blocks to the ledger concurrently. This setup greatly improves the network's ability to process more transactions and shortens the time it takes for them to be confirmed. It helps in solving the scalability problems that other cryptocurrencies are prone to. Kaspa is also open source, with its code being available for free. This encourages the community to want to contribute to improving and maintaining it, hence having an open system based on cooperation. The development and expansion have been fueled by powerful partnerships and collaborations. One powerful partnership is with Igra Labs to build a Layer 2 solution compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. The partnership is centered on building a ZK rollup, a scalability-enhancing technology that packages multiple transactions into a single transaction, increasing the speed of transactions and lowering the costs. With the inclusion of EVM compatibility, this partnership is designed to bring Ethereum users and developers onto the Kaspa network, thus expanding its ecosystem and increasing its usage. Another major development is the launch of the KRC20 token standard on the Kaspa platform. The launch introduces smart contract capabilities on the network, allowing decentralized application development and use and multiple decentralized finance services support. By way of smart contracts, Kaspa is a platform that can support all types of blockchain-based solutions. Also, Kaspa has been developing well with the latest advancements, namely the 10 BPS testnet, launched in early 2025. The advancement is an experiment to determine whether Kaspa can scale its capacity from 1 block per second to 10 blocks per second. In testing this out, the team came up with another testing network where developers and miners would be able to test the upgrade without disturbing the core Kaspa system. This process would enable any issues to be identified and resolved prior to applying the change on a permanent scale. If successful, this update would leave Kaspa 10 times faster in terms of processing transactions than it currently is, greatly enhancing its scalability and efficiency. This sort of enhancement could render Kaspa a highly competitive option in the world of cryptocurrency, able to process more transactions with increased speed. In addition, Kaspa recently entered into a huge partnership with DWF Labs, a well-established market maker in the cryptocurrency markets, as per a press release by the Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation earlier in 2025. Under the agreement, it names DWF Labs as an official market maker for the KAS token to increase liquidity and stabilize markets for Kaspa on various trading platforms. DWF Labs is already supporting big projects like Tron, Ton, and Fetch.ai, and has ample experience which it will be bringing to this partnership, possibly improving Kaspa's market performance and visibility. The KF appreciates this partnership, showing that there is mutual faith in Kaspa's potential and the resolve to work closely together. This move is considered a strategic step to strengthen Kaspa's position in the cryptocurrency market, as it can attract more users and investors by offering more convenient conditions for trading and a deeper market. Looking ahead to 2026, Kaspa's got a lot of room to grow. Its speed and low fees could make it a favorite for everyday use, like buying coffee or sending cash to a friend. Plus, the crypto market tends to go through cycles, and we're expecting a big one in 2025 that could lift Kaspa's price. But why does it have this potential? For one, its tech is solid. The team is in the process of pushing new updates to make it faster and more applicable, which could help bring on more users. Additionally, as more exchanges support it, like potentially big names like Binance or Coinbase in the future, that could send its price skyrocketing. So, for the incoming 2025 bull run, which is another factor that could boost the market price of Kaspa. The 2021 crypto bull run saw Bitcoin and conventional altcoins hit all-time price rises, driven by institutional investment, as well as retail excitement. Bitcoin shifted from $29,000 in January to almost $69,000 by November, driven by corporations like Tesla. Ethereum shifted from $730 to over $4,800, driven by DeFi, as well as NFTs. Binance Coin shifted from $37 to $690, linked to Binance's expansion. Cardano increased from 18 cents to $3 on the back of its technological developments. Dogecoin increased from $0.008 to 74 cents on the back of social media hype. This event, from late 2020 to late 2021, showed the promise of crypto, though a later crash highlighted its volatility. So, if everything works in favor of Kaspa, the 2025 bull run could cause a remarkable growth in its market price, and by 2026, it could reach $1 to $3. If either of these prices were reached by 2026, the 100,000 KAS will be worth about $100,000 or $300,000, which would spell significant returns on investment for everyone who takes it up to invest in Kaspa, now that its market price is still very modest. However, this is not financial advice. Always do your research before investing your money in any coin.